How to add text and photo collages to your Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device over here and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and simply select any picture. You can select more than one picture over here to post. So I'm gonna select a random picture. Let's select more than one over here and then tap on next. Now you can see the option of overlay over here, so simply tap on overlay and now you can select any pictures over here to add in over here. So you can see it comes like we add in on our story, so you can simply put it here wherever you would want to position it, and you can add as many pictures as you would want. So let me just do it again. So let's wait. So as we do that, what you can simply do is you can also add text over here by tapping on text, and let's write any sort of captions, and you can select the font as well. So let's select that and then we can tap on done, and okay, let's write it again, then tap on done and then tap on done again, and that's how you can add text and photo collages to your Instagram post. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.